How to fix TikTok no internet connection. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there might be some problem on your TikTok that you are not able to scroll through it. There are some solutions to it, like the first one being that you should check out your internet connection, whether it is completely working fine or not. And after checking out your internet connection, the problem might be that your VPN is not connected quite well. So also check out for your VPN. Make sure that you have connected to the right one if you are in a country where TikTok is not allowed. The other reason could be that you need to update your TikTok. So for that, just simply open up Play Store or App Store and just go there, and you would be able to check out the new update available and just update your TikTok to the latest version. Sometimes there might be some problem with the cache memory. So for that, you have to open up your application settings and over there search for TikTok in your mobile device, and there you would be able to delete the cache memory of your TikTok. This will lead to the deletion of the bugs on your TikTok application, and after that you should be able to use TikTok quite well. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.